Okay, shall we introduce them to all the ingredients we need?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be using coconut oil, green chilies, onion, mustard, carrot, salt to taste, coconut.
And curry leaves.
Okay, we're gonna turn our stove off. Stove on. Okay, be careful, okay? It's gonna be pretty hot. We're gonna use
Oil.
how many spoons? What do you think?
I think.
So that's 5 spoons, right?
Yeah.
5 spoons. No. So you better get your shield ready. You're gonna put mustard. It's going to do the fireworks. Ready? 1. See, you can tell the oil is heated because it's moving. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
So you have to cover it.
Oh, I have to try put this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of mustard. Why do you do that?
So we can have the taste.
No. It's going to sputter and it's going to get all over you and it'll burn. To avoid that, we put a shield on it. The shield is to cover.
Yeah,
Okay?
so it doesn't come
Okay, see the fireworks going? See that?
out.
It's ready.
It's coming out.
Yes, we're going to put all this
Onion.
onion. Okay. To that, 1 spoon, that's about 4
Chili.
green chilies. Let's give it a stir. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's give it a mix. Kids will love this.
Mushroom.
Yeah, pour it in. Cover this with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Okay? And then we're going to check. Oh, we didn't put salt. You were supposed to remind me to put salt.
You didn't say that.
I'm sorry. Now you do. Okay? Salt to taste. Since carrot has, is it sweet or bitter? Carrot.
I think so. Look.
It's sweet, right? So we need a little bit more salt on this. It's already cooking.
Yeah.
We had to put one more ingredient. Do you know what that is?
Maybe it is coconut.
Correct. Good job. So it's already 1 minute away. Okay. We already passed 1 minute. We're going to add 2 spoons of coconut. Okay. It's been 5 minutes. Wow. Carrot is done. Look at that.
It looks yummy and colorful.
Colorful, right? What color is that?
Orange, green,
Yeah, orange.
and there's a little snow colors.
Yes. Okay. Coconut, half cup would be fine. This is Nimitha's favorite curry. We're done. Let it, the last minute after we put the coconut, that has to get mixed in well, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just 1 minute and then we'll turn off the heat.
And then we'll taste.
And then we'll taste. Yes. Okay, we made our first carrot thoran. Okay? So this is with about 5 carrots. We cut into small bite-sized pieces. Nimitha loves this curry. And it's not too spicy or anything. We put about 4 chilies in there. You want to try it?
Yes.
You want to give it a try? Blow, blow. Yummy?
Yeah.
Spicy?
A little.
Little? Salty? No? Okay. Well, there you have it. So if you have any kids that does not eat vegetables, try your vegetable with this type of recipe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.